Today I'm going to install Bootstrap into my Angular project. And if you're wondering what Bootstrap is, I just did a quick search right here. This W3 Schools gives you plenty of starter information. I think it's a good source. You could look it up. It basically gives you a framework to style your web page to make it look good. So let's go ahead and do that. What I'm going to do is use my npm install. That is the way that I decided to install Bootstrap. There's many ways to do it. So let's just go ahead and do an npm install Bootstrap. Then I'll hit enter, and my node package manager is going to install my Bootstrap into the node_modules directory. I'm just going to pause the video for a second while that's doing that. Never mind, it did it. And let's see. Now, we can't see any differences. We will see small changes once we get it fully installed. All right, let's go to our Visual Studio Code. There it is. And then I have my Bigfoot project open. Now, I'm going to scroll down to this angular.json. This file here is going to allow me to find my Bootstrap stuff that is sitting in this node_modules, right? When we did our npm install Bootstrap, that Bootstrap stuff went in here. Now let's go to, at the top, let's look for architect, build, and then we need to put stuff in styles and scripts. So these are arrays, and I'm going to need to put a pathway to my style sheet, my Bootstrap style sheet right here. So I have my node underscore modules / bootstrap, probably guessed that. And then Bootstrap, we have this distribution / CSS / bootstrap.css. All right, so, and we don't have to put it on the same line. We can come down one line. Cool. So now we have two things that we can get for styles in our project. Now scripts, we're going to need a script too. And luckily the path is really close. We're going to go all the way up to this dist. Just go ahead and copy that. And then in our scripts, maybe put 2 spaces here. Boom. We're going to need, instead of CSS, JS for JavaScript, and then bootstrap.js. Pretty cool. That's it. We are good to go. Let's save this thing off and see if we have any changes. Boom, save. Now this right here should change, but ngserve is not updating because Windows knows that I'm making a video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a Control-C here. I'm going to pause the video, and then I'm just going to do another ngserve. I'll pause the video now. And look at that. So it's slightly different, not a big change, but now you could add a lot of cool stuff to your project, and we're going to do that. So you have to have Bootstrap installed if you're going to do an Angular project. That's my personal opinion. Anyway, good luck with that, and I will see you in the next video.